Hey everyone, I'm Voltaire Lepe, CEO of Lepe Temo Properties, top 1% agent in San Diego County, and I'm also a real estate investor who invests in the Opportunity Zone, and that's the workshop that we're gonna have, and I wanted to invite you to February 22nd. It's a Saturday morning, well, Saturday afternoon at 1 p.m. What is the Opportunity Zone? You might have heard the buzz. It's been a buzzword for the last 3 years, and the Opportunity Zone is a selected area where the federal government designates funds to those areas. That way investors can invest and then profit down the road. So we're gonna teach you exactly where the opportunity zones in San Diego are. We're gonna teach you why we think that those are gonna be the highest appreciating areas in San Diego in the years to come. We're gonna teach you the significant tax benefits of investing in the opportunity zone and how it all works. So if you're interested in investing and you're interested in finding out tax benefits and where to invest in San Diego, the hottest places in San Diego, come to our workshop Saturday, February 22nd at 1 p.m. See you then.